Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Fanttik Slim V7 Pocket Vacuum Cleaner. So here's the actual vacuum cleaner. This is like the storage case so that you can set it on there. That's really cool. So here's everything that comes in the box. You get the vacuum cleaner, a little brush, a crevice tool with a brush also. You get USB-C charging cable, and you get this bag that you can keep everything in. That's a really nice bag that I like. So first things, you're gonna have to charge it with USB-C right here. Now it does support fast charging. Now here are the specifications. It's a 2000 milliamp hour battery, 70 watts power, 75 dB for noise. Runtime is 12 minutes on high, 27 minutes on low. Now it doesn't come with a wall charger, but it does come with the cable. So you will have to plug this into a USB-A outlet. And then what I love about this is when you plug it in, it's gonna show you the status of the battery charge. Now, once it's fully charged, that display will go blank, and that is normal. And I do like that it has a display. So we got a power button and a mode button. We got two modes, so turn it on. It's gonna start off in low. Press the button again. I love that it shows us the battery percentage. Press this button, we're gonna go to high. All the air is gonna come out right there. Then press again, turn it off. Now we can put this brush right in the end, like this, have like a small brush. We can put it on the end of the crevice tool, or we can just put the crevice tool on. Now it's gonna vacuum everything up into this chamber here. When you wanna empty that chamber, you're gonna rotate this. There's a lock and an unlock. So rotate it to the unlock, grab the filter, remove the filter, dump everything out. Once in a while, you will have to clean these parts right here. You can rinse these off with water, but you have to let them dry out in the sun overnight or something. Make sure they're nice and dry, and then you simply just put the filter back in. Line up the dots to lock or unlock, and then rotate it to lock. I like that it has like a little grip here, fits in the hand. Let's do measurements. All right, so overall length of 12 inches. And again, right here, that's the opening. It's about 1.5 inches. It just fits in your hand really nice. Again, the cup, that's what you store it in, so it can just sit there. Put your crevice tool in, pretty nice. And then store everything in this really nice bag that's kind of heavy duty with a drawstring. Okay, so let's go clean up a big mess with it. Okay, so let's start picking up some debris. There's low. Again, really quiet, but actually does a pretty good job of picking stuff up. Let's go to high. All right. Let's install the brush. Now we can really get the stuff out of the, this would be great for cleaning a car. This is the same type of fabric you might find in a car. Now let's put the crevice tool on. Okay, now we got the crevice tool, turn it on. Let's go to high. Just does a good job of vacuuming. Okay, let's simulate emptying this out. Now, you will get some stuff that sticks to the filter. I like to just kind of tap the stuff off the filter a little bit. And then you're going to rotate that to the unlock position. You do have to take the filter out to empty it. And then you put the, once in a while you got to clean that filter, but giving it that little tap really does help. And put it back on, start lock to the lock position, and now you're ready to go. I really do like this little handheld vacuum cleaner. It even comes with a little cup. So it comes with a little cup that you can just set it on the table so that it's ready to go, and then just take the cup off when you're ready to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.